Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use data roaming on your Samsung device. First, it is crucial to understand your current mobile plan before traveling internationally. Contact your service provider to inquire about their roaming packages and ensure you have sufficient data allowances. This proactive step helps you avoid surprisingly high bills. Many providers offer daily or weekly passes, which are often more cost-effective than standard pay-as-you-go rates. To start, unlock your Samsung device and locate the Settings application, often represented by a gear icon. Once in Settings, you will find the Connections menu, which manages Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and mobile data. Tap on Connections and then select Mobile Networks from the list of available options. This path will lead you directly to the controls for managing your cellular data features. Within the Mobile Networks screen, find the Data Roaming option. It usually has a toggle switch next to it. Simply tap this switch to turn data roaming on. Your phone might display a pop-up message warning you about potential charges. Read this carefully. Confirm your choice to proceed, and your device will then be set to use mobile data while you are in another country. If your data roaming isn't working after activation, consider manually selecting a network. Within Mobile Networks, look for Network Operators and choose Search Networks. Your phone will then display a list of available carriers in your current location. Select one with strong signal. It is also wise to verify your access point name settings, often found under Appn, to ensure they match your provider's requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.